Hello everyone. We have a phone. It's pretty smashed, broken phone, but it's functioning fine. The problem is the screen just keep zooming in, and that's a big problem for some people. It's not really. So all you have to do it. Let's see if we go and close all the tabs. So now we are on the main screen. You're gonna use your 3 fingers to move the screen. There you go, and hit settings. Once you are in settings, you find accessibility. You're gonna hit accessibility. Now you have zoom. Once you hit zoom, you're gonna use your 3 fingers to focus on the button. You can turn on and off the function. Just hit turn it off, and here we go. It's